Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to show you arguably the best beginner robot trading course in the whole world. And it's not only good for beginners, it also covers intermediate needs and expert robot trading needs. And what's great about this course, it includes a free robot. So let's have a look at this course. It's called the Zero to Hero Forex Trading course, which includes, as I said earlier, a trading robot. So the course content, and if you look at this diagram, you'll see there's an introduction, there's basic knowledge required, very comprehensive, then an introduction to your free robot, and then ways of testing that robot or any robot that you might want to trade, and then optimizing the robot, and then forward testing it on a demo account and creating a portfolio of really good demo accounts that you can feed into your live account. So that's the process that this comprehensive course follows. Now, I must point out this is a pre-launch notice. The course isn't currently available. The full course will only be available at the end of March. But there are sections of the course that are available today. So I'm going to go through those sections that you can access right now. So the Zero to Hero course, as you can see on the menu here, is available to our paid members of our premium forum. So you have to be a paid member of the forum. But once you are a paid member, it is free, as well as the robot that comes with the course. And I'm going to scroll down and you'll see there 11 other members benefits, and I'm just going to scroll through them very slowly like that. Stop the video if you want to read more easily. But then here is the actual course, the Zero to Hero Forex Trading course. And as you've seen in that illustration, it's got an introduction section, a basic knowledge section, your free robot, and testing your robot, optimizing your robot, and then forward testing your robot, and then live trading. So all of those sections currently are password protected because they're under development, but there is one section in particular that is available to you, and you can go and access that one, and it is a very major section. So let's have a look at it. It is in fact this section here, robot trading videos. And I'm going to click on that and show you what you get when you go there. Okay, so here we are on the post in the forum, and there is in fact a web page that you can go and have a look at, and you can scroll down, and all of those links on the web page actually work quite nicely. So you can go and access all of the videos that are presented on the course through that web page. But the easier option is to just download a PDF version of the document, and that is displayed in a little bit more easier to read and use format. And I'm going to actually show you that particular document so that you can go to this page and download it and use it as you wish. Okay, so here is the actual PDF. It is basically trading robots that have been selected for this particular course. There's an introduction, and that beginner's one has been viewed 70,000 times. So these videos are of great value. So you can go and have a look at all the videos under the introduction part. Then there are some fast track videos. So in other words, if you're in a hurry and you don't want to go through the course, all you do is you cover the beginners, and then you learn how to optimize a robot in 10 minutes. There's the fast track videos. Then we say, all right, if you're going to start robot trading, your expectations must be realistic. So there are a few videos on expectations. And then we say, all right, there are a few strategies that you can use when you trade robots. They're the strategies. There's some general robot information that you need before you can even start testing and optimizing robots, and there's a whole lot of information there, all YouTube videos, and then information on actually using the robots. There's also troubleshooting and robot support. Where do you get support? What do you do if you get stuck? That kind of thing. It happens a lot. So there's a lot of information on that. And then we get into our main topics, which which is testing, the videos regarding testing, then on optimization, the next group of videos there, and then how to manage your robots, and that is basically forward testing and that kind of thing. And then another hot topic is finding settings. Okay, and then we also have quite a big section on the MetaTrader platform. If you don't know the MetaTrader platform, essential if you want to trade robots. So there are about 33 videos because the one is a playlist of 30 videos. So there's about 33 videos about the MetaTrader platform. So this is a very extensive robot trading resource that you can go in and download at any time from the forum. Now, as I've mentioned before, this course is completely free to forum members. The robot will be completely free to forum. And this is an early warning that we will be launching this course at the end of March. And you must be prepared for an increase in the forum subscriptions because of this valuable addition to our benefits. You must agree that this is a very valuable addition for both beginners but also for expert traders, where they can get unlimited amount of information about testing forex trading robots. But once you have joined the forum, your subscription will never go up, as it says here. Once you have joined, however, your fee will never increase. So if you want to make sure that you are not hit by any future price increases, now is the time to join this forum and start going through aspects of the course that we're making available on an ongoing basis until the full course is finalized. Now, I truly believe that this course is very much needed in the forex trading and trading market for beginners, intermediate and expert traders, and I'm really looking forward to contributing to the knowledge base of all of these traders and to the experience base of many of these traders. Most of our support questions that we get clearly show a need for this course, and that is why we're going to be spending quite a bit of time to develop it even further. So as always, the links to the paid forum will be available in the description as well as in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.